I must thank Hamid for singing and this beautiful poem, which reminds me of once Venugopalan said that his name is Venugopalan, meaning the Gopala, that is Sri Krishna, had a flute and I am the flute of Sri Krishna. Then he says, I have never seen Sri Krishna, I have never seen his flute, I have never heard his flute. I was born in a family which was Brahmin family, they called me Venugopal. So I became Venugopala, but I have never seen Sri Krishna, I have not seen Sri Rama, I haven't seen anyone, I have not seen Muhammad Sahib, I have not seen Zardosht. So how can I say that they existed first? And then how can I say I am a Hindu? I could have been a Muslim, I could have been a Christian, I could have been a Persian, anyone. So how can I say that because my mother gave me the name, how can I become a Hindu? So one thing is definite. Mother has given me realization. To her I can see. I am in her presence. See, when Muhammad Sahib lived, how they tortured him. They even poisoned him. When Fatima came in and Ali was there, they killed their two sons. Nobody would accept the incarnation when it exists. They always like the incarnation which is dead. So do what you like about it. And then he said that now mother has told me that Sri Krishna was the truth, Muhammad Sahib was the truth, they were the flowers on the same tree. Because she has given me the truth, I believe her because she is truthful. And that's why I have to believe now, not only because my parents told me I was a Hindu. That's what it is. After coming to Sahaja Yoga, you see the truth. Even if I tell you Muhammad Sahib was the true prophet and was Dattatreya himself, the essence of the Guru Tattva, Hindus are not going to believe. And also, I don't want to say, but there are certain people who would beat me if I say that. Like people who do not believe at all that Muhammad Sahib was the prophet. Same thing can happen about Sri Krishna. But this is not true. The truth is all of them came from God. They are part and parcel of that great ocean of Chaitanya, no doubt about it. But as the time went on, people started forming their groups. They never wanted anybody to form the groups. Because I said that Muhammad Sahib came on this earth as Guru Nanaka, and his sister Nanaki was nobody else but Fatima. It's a fact. You feel the vibrations, you can see the truth. When I say that, you feel the vibrations. So what is the quarrel between the Sikhs and the Muslims? There should be no quarrel at all. And if he is Dattatreya, what is the quarrel between the Hindus and the Muslims? Nonsense. They are worshipping the same person. Same prophet came again and again. So the Israelis are there, these Jews, they call themselves Jews. They were the disciples, they say so, of Abraham and Moses, and they are the same. So why do they hate each other? It's a question to me, I just don't understand. See, when you understand the truth that we are all one and guided by the same guide, the principle of Guru Tattva, then there cannot be any difference. Same about incarnations. Christ is the same as Sri Ganesha. Is a fact. You can feel it on the vibrations now. Don't have to ask anybody else. You can see the absolute. Now, whatever is the truth just now, you see it. But you want to believe in something ancient. Baba, that one is not here. Just now I am here. You see? That's the point, is to see. Then all these attachments will come to Sahaja Yoga, and you will see that all these great prophets, incarnations, were the true things. We are among ourselves forming groups. So group forming is against religion. May God bless you. That is how all problems now, the Muslims are fighting among themselves. How can it be? You followed only one Muhammad. Now Iraq, Iran, why are they fighting? Hindus are fighting with Sikhs, imagine. The Sikhs were Hindus, made into Sikhs. See the stupidity of the whole thing. And then people think there is no God. Now there's another clan coming out saying there's no God, because if these people follow God, how are they fighting? But they don't follow God. What they are following is their own concept about God, which is wrong. They try to limit God, they cannot. And this is what Sahajogis have to understand, that we now have become universal beings. We have become universal beings now. So to us, religion is within ourselves, which is to be respected. They reside, all of them, within ourselves, you know very well. You have to take the name of Ali and Fatima when you have diabetes. You have to take, you can't help it, whether you are a Hindu or a Muslim. If you have the cancer of the stomach, you have to take the name of Dattatreya. Whether you are Chinese, Japanese, makes no difference. When it comes to sickness, then they agree. Otherwise they don't. But Sahajogis should know before becoming sick. All right? May God bless. So, now the program is over today. I'll be going away. You all have your dinner. What time is the evening program? So, but what about huh? Food is ready for you here. You have your food. And I don't think we should have anything dinner in the night. We can have some snack.
We have food now. Wow.
In the night, if you want, you can have some snacks after the program. Not. So now, you see, I'm going away. What time is the program?
Program should be at 8 o'clock.
Program starts at 8. So I hope you'll make it convenient to reach there at 8. All right?
One or two little presents.
There are one or two little presents. Now, one more thing I have to tell you, that today, in a way, I feel very happy and joyous and victorious, because the European and the American tour is over now for this year. I've been traveling, really, I tell you, if I tell you, you'll be shocked. In 10 days, I traveled across from east to west coast to east coast, 4 times, in 10 days.